Creating a LinkedIn traffic ad. Hey there everyone! Congratulations! We're happy to see you advance this far into the training, and we'd like to do a quick recap of the things you have achieved by now. You created and optimized a LinkedIn profile to grow your personal brand. You created and optimized a company page to power up your business's online presence. You learned how to create highly engaging marketing posts and company updates. You discovered how to promote your LinkedIn content easily. You created a group to make more connections and attract more prospects. You'll learn how to use and leverage LinkedIn features to advance your LinkedIn marketing efforts. And in this lesson, we are ready to help you step up your LinkedIn marketing game by showing you how to use a LinkedIn advertising platform to run advanced ad campaigns that'll help you reach even more people and achieve your marketing objectives way faster. Are you ready to move on to the next stage of your LinkedIn marketing journey too? Yes? Then let's do this. Getting started. To create LinkedIn ads, you need to access your LinkedIn advertising dashboard first. For this, click on the Work option in the top bar menu. Next, click on the Advertise icon. This will take you to the Campaign Manager, where you can create your ad campaigns. Alright, once in the Campaign Manager, locate the ad account you created for your company page in the Accounts column and click on it. On the following page, click on the Create Campaign button. Setting up the ad campaign. Now you're going to set up your ad campaign. Start by editing the name of your new traffic campaign in the Untitled Campaign field. Now select your campaign objective. Because you are going to create a traffic campaign to send LinkedIn traffic to your website or to a landing page, you have to select website visits as the objective. Okay, now move to the Audience section. Here you are going to select the location where you want to reach users with your ad. Your current location is included by default, and you can add more locations by clicking on Add Locations, entering the name of the location you want to target, and selecting it from the results display. In the Profile Language section, you can select the profile language of users you want to target. By default, this is set as your own profile language, but you can change it in case your objective is to target a different demographic. In the Who is your target audience section, you can search and select audience attributes. This will help you to only show your ads to users with those attributes. This is a very useful feature, because it lets you reach people that are more likely to respond to your ads. For this, you can enter a keyword into the search bar. This will show you related attributes, and you can select them from the results display. You can also browse attributes using the Audience Attributes menu. With it, you can browse audience attributes by category. Once you're done here, move to the Ad Format section. Here you are going to select the format of your ad. For traffic campaigns, we recommend that you select a rich media format, such as single image ad or video ad. For this example, we are going to select single image ad. Now move to the Budget and Schedule section. Here you are going to enter your ad spend and your ad schedule. Start by entering the total you want to spend daily on ads into the Daily Budget field. Next, select your schedule. If you select to run campaign continuously from a start date, your ad will start running right when you launch the campaign, until you stop it manually. And if you select Set a Start and End Date, you'll have to select a date to start running the campaign and a date to stop it. For this example, we're going to select to run the campaign continuously. Now you're going to click on Next to save and continue to the next step. Creating the ad. Now it is time to create your ad. Start by clicking on the Create New Ad button. This will open the ad editor. What you'll do first is to enter your ad copy into the Introductory Text field. Next, enter your website or landing page URL into the Destination URL field. One amazing feature of the ad editor is that it pulls information from your destination URL and uses it in your ad without your input. It fills the ad image, the ad headline, and the ad description automatically. It looks amazing, and it saves you a lot of time. Lastly, click on the Call to Action menu button and select Learn More as your CTA. Now click on the Create button. Awesome job! Your ad is ready, and you just have to click on Next to save and continue. Launching the traffic ad campaign. Now you are ready to launch this campaign. So simply review your campaign settings and then click on the Launch Campaign button. And that's it!